Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to solve one problem which is based on finite state machine. The definition or the problem is construct the finite state machine or FSM which shows even or odd according to even number of ones and odd number of ones. So if the given input string has even number of ones, then the output will be even, and if it has odd number of ones, then it will show you the output as odd. We are going to use this automata for counting the number of ones, not number of zeros. So we focus on how many number of ones are occurring in the string. For solving this problem, we are going to start, or first of all we draw the state transition diagram, then we will draw state transition table. So starting from first state Q0, for example, if 0 comes, initially if 0 comes, the state will not change, because ultimately our target is to count the number of ones. So if very first time 0 is coming but 1 is not coming, so 1 is coming 0 times and 0 is even number. So when at Q0, 0 is the input, our output is even, because 1 is not coming, it is 0 time coming. So if 0 is coming, the output is even. For example, 1 is coming, then 1 is coming very first time. So for example, our string is 0 1, then when 0 will come, the output will be even, and when 1 will come, 0 1 is the string, so for 0 input it will generate the output even, and next one it will generate the odd output, because in 0 1 string 1 is coming one time and 1 is the odd number, so it will show you the output as odd. At the same time, if again 0 is coming, for example, we have this string as 0 1 0. So first time 0 is coming, it will show you the output as even. Another next character or next letter is 1. So 1 is coming one time, so it is generating odd output. And if again 0 is coming, so in 0 1, in this entire string 1 is coming odd time. So at Q1, if we give 0 as input, it will generate the output as odd. If our string is 0 1 0 1, so 0 1 0, and after that at Q1 if 1 is coming, then it will go again to Q0 with output as even, because 0 1 0 1 string generate 1 as 0 1 0 1 string generate 2 times 1, so it will obviously generate even output, and at the same time it will go again to Q0, because here we are going to check only two outputs, if the output generate is even or odd, so it will use only two states, Q0 and Q1. From this state transition diagram, we can easily draw this state transition table. So in this state transition table, there are some states and input symbols. So two states are there, Q0 and Q1, and input symbols are 0 and 1. If the state is Q0 and input is 0, it will generate the output as even. State is Q0 and input is 1, then it will generate the output as odd. State is Q1 and input is 0, then output is odd. If Q1 is the state and 1 is the input, the output is even. This is how you can solve the problem